Okay, and we're recording. Okay, there you go. Okay, Grimmett, you can see me, right?
Perfect.
Okay, so this is some of the last days that I have with you guys, and I can really say from the bottom of my heart, I've really enjoyed my time here. You've definitely been my favorite class to be a part of. And you know, I say that with a lot of weight because I've gone through a couple classes. You know, I've done my 4 years here. I've met a lot of people, and when you go through this program, you realize like how important it is just to look back and see where you've come from. You know, I saw you guys start the first day walking in completely bewildered and, you know, just not understanding anything at all. And then I look at you now, and for the most part, you know, you act like a completely functioning platoon. You know, so many of you have come out of your shell socially, and you've really like come into your own. And we should just really celebrate where you guys have come from and where you are now, because you're moving on into your, you know, you're in your formative years. And I really say that with a lot of weight because this is the part that in your life that's probably one of the easiest and one of the most fun, and you should really take advantage of it. You know, I just love being a teacher's assistant for this class, and we should really celebrate. You know, I only have about 8 days left with you guys, and you guys have a little bit more. But really just look back on your achievements and just be so happy from where you've come from. You know, I've seen cadets like Grimmett, you walked into this program, and you know, I didn't know what you would become, and I'm just so happy that you know, every one of you has become more disciplined. You've gotten so much better in running, you know, the basics of this platoon. You know, I look at our PCs and our squad leaders, and I can see, okay, these are people who are leaders. You know, out of you guys today, you may not think it, but looking around, the person to your right, the person to your left, they could be your new CO, your new XO. This is where they're going to come from. And really, you have this great opportunity that you should celebrate. So, as you're going through your last final phases, really, I'm just proud of you guys. You know, I've really like put my heart into like helping you guys and being here, and I'm just so happy of where you guys have come from and who you are now. And I just think, I know that you guys will be great in the future, and I want to be able to come back here and see your progress and your achievements. So keep going, guys. You're the class of, you're my class. You can do well. Okay, thank you. What? Okay. How do I stop?